Hi, I'm Darrell. Do you have a wet area where nothing seems to grow? Here's a few perennials that may be just what you're looking for. Chameleon Plant has colorful foliage. Hardy hibiscus has huge flowers of pink, white, or red. Cardinal flower has bright red flowers. Iris moss is lush and green and hugs the ground. Scotch moss is a yellow variety and stays low, just like the Irish moss does. Golden creeping jenny is a trailing ground cover with round leaves that are bright gold, greener if planted in the shade. Joe pieweed has purple flowers in the summer. Astilbes have plumes of white, pink, purple, or red flowers. Ferns do great in a shady, moist area. Buttonbush is a shrub with white golf ball sized flowers in the summer. Be sure to amend the soil with soil conditioner and use Biotone plant starter when planting anything. Yearly fertilizer with Plant Tone keeps your garden looking great. Visit English Gardens and talk with our gardening experts for more options and what's available right now and helpful advice on your problem area. I'm Darrell, helping make life beautiful by making gardening easy.